Hi, today we're going to cook up a delicious dish in honor of St. Patrick's Day. We're going to cook up some Irish beef stew. And I have my 12-inch Dutch oven here. It's the deep dish Dutch oven. We're out of town. We're at a condominium place in Midway, Utah called Wintergreen. And I don't know, I just grabbed one Dutch oven and it happened to be the deep dish Dutch oven, but it will be okay, I think. But what I have here is I have about 2 pounds of chuck roast that I cut up in cubes. And then we have a yellow onion and about 5 or 6 garlic cloves. I have about 15 briquettes under the Dutch oven. It's been preheating for 7 to 10 minutes. I just want to sear this meat. And then we'll add everything else. Yeah, Midway, Utah's a little mountain town. There's hot springs in the area. There's skiing, snowshoeing, all kinds of fun winter activities and summer activities. Yeah, pretty dang fun. Man, that smells good already. So this won't take long. I'll get this seared up and then we'll be back to put the rest in, so we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready for the next step. I stuck about 8 or 10 more briquettes under the bottom to get that a little hotter. Yeah, look, that's cooking up nice. We season this also. We put some pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of, see, it was garlic salt and a little cayenne pepper in this. So this is, yeah, that's looking pretty good. So we have some red potatoes here. Just throw those in. Yummy. Kind of just do that. And then I have 2 cans of tomato paste and a can of French onion soup. Just put this on. Oops. Briquettes on that lid are warm. This once we get this going, we'll let it cook for like 30 minutes or so, and then we'll check it at that point and see how it's doing. I think it will take 45 to 60 minutes to cook. Then we have a can of Guinness drought style stout beer, dark beer. Ooh. It's foaming over. Let's give it a sample. Yummy. Happy St. Patty's Day. Just pour this in. That looks pretty dang good. So we'll just do that. I have 25 briquettes under the top and probably like 20 on the bottom, because I stuck 8 or 10 under. So yeah, there's probably 20 to 25 under the bottom. Looks like about 20 on. I'm just going to leave it like that. It's the deep dish Dutch oven. I think will be good. So we'll be back in 30 to check it out. Okay, we're going to check this. It's been about 20 minutes. I have full briquettes on the top and the bottom to compensate, well, because this is the deep Dutch oven, but I want to check it out and see how it's looking pretty dang good. So yeah, loading it up. I'm just going to leave it like that. I think it's been 20 minutes. I think 45 minutes is going to be the key, but oh, that's pretty dang good. Let's put that back on. I might pull a few off the top just to kind of control the heat. Let's check it again in 15 minutes, so we'll see you back. Okay, I think we're ready. It's been about 20 more minutes, so let's take this off and see how this is doing. Oh my heck. Let's give that a little stir. So this has been going for about 40 minutes total. Yeah. Smells delicious. Got a fork. Let's try a potato here. Yummy. Let's find a piece of the meat. We'll give that a try too. Delicious. That's pretty dang good. So here we go. Irish beef stew cooked in the Dutch oven. Look at that. Delicious. There you go. Hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.